Welcome to Bookz AI Review. Imagine if one keyword built your entire business. We're diving into this buzzing ebook tool in the market. So what is Bookz AI? Think of it as your all-in-one publishing assistant. With just a click, it generates unique, human-like ebooks, adds professional designs, and even creates 3D covers. You don't need writing skills, design tools, or technical knowledge. Bookz AI also includes traffic tools and a marketplace, making it more than just software. It's a business in a box. However, before proceeding with the demo, please note that the link provided in the description below is my affiliate link. And if you purchase from my link, you will get some extra exclusive bonuses from my end, which are worth more than $15,000. Now watch the complete official demo video of Bookz AI and understand how it works.
So once you log into Bookz AI, you get welcomed by an AI voice assistant that tells you what to do part-time. Okay, so now to get started, you click on eBooks, then you click on create.
Let's get started. Input your ebook title, author name, and keywords. Then click on create button.
So you input your title here, you input your author name right here, you input the keyword for your ebook right here, and you click on create.
Welcome. Please select a template.
And right here you can select your template. Okay, so I'm going to select this template.
Welcome. Start editing.
And you'll be taken to the editor where you can edit everything on this page. So as you can see, this is looking great and awesome. So you can start editing whatever you want by clicking here. Let's see, hello. So you can change the line height. You can input your ebook title here. How to lose weight fast. You can center it, you can right, left, like this. You can change the font size, can you see? You can also change the text color and whatever you want to change. So I'm going to use white color. Okay, you can bold it, you can underline, you can add line through and others. You can as well change the image by clicking here, click on change image. So you click here to upload your own image. And as you can see, the image has been uploaded. You can change the image width like this. Okay, you can see the image size and other things. Alright, so right here, this is for the author. You input your name here. Amazing. And this is for the introduction. So this is where you put the introduction. Okay, so now you can leverage on AI for this to write your introduction. And how do you do that? You click here, add content, and you click on AI assistant. So you put the prompt here like this, and you click on generate content. So right now the content has been generated, and you can copy with this, or you click here to copy. Then right here you can paste your content like this. Boom, now the content has been pasted, and this is it right here. So you can choose to increase the font size. You can change the color as well too. So I'm going to use black. You can increase the line height. Alright, and also too, we have the table of content right here. So you can also use the AI to generate the table of content. So just input your prompt and click on generate content, and the content will be generated for you like this. So now you can see this is for chapter 1, Okay, you can just put it there like this and change the content. Okay, so you can also copy and do the same thing for others. Alright, so you can edit and modify. Also, you can drag and drop any element that you want. Okay, like this. And you can easily input your content right here. Or you can even leverage on the hard content, and you can import PDF, and the content of the PDF will be fetched for you like this, okay, which you can copy and paste into the app, to the editor rather, like this. Can you see? And you can as well change the font size. All right, also too, you can import your Word document, your Microsoft Word document, and you can even import your website URL, your blog, your pages, your e-com store and others, just by inputting the URL here like this and click on connect, and the content is going to be fetched for you like this, which you can copy and paste. All right, now one good thing with Bookz AI is that it comes with lots of elements that you can drag and drop into the editor. So, and with these you can create interactive ebook. Now let's check that out. I can drag image and text elements to this place, and you can add the image like this from your computer, and the image is going to show up here for you like this. You can also change the text. There are some other elements you can also choose to add to your ebook. Can you see like this? You can even add navigation bar if you want. You can add pricing table to your ebook like this. Can you see? You can add image grid. Can you see? You can add checkbox. Can you see option 1? So, and you can easily change the text. Option 1, click to see, so you can see. You can add button element as well too, like this. You can add progress bar like this. So there are tons of elements that you can easily add into your ebook to make it interactive. All right, so now once you're done, you can even change this image by just clicking here, and you change the image, you change the text, and once you are done, you click on save to save all the changes that you've made. And now you can click on convert to PDF, and this is the desktop view. This is how your ebook is going to look like on the desktop. And for the mobile view, this is how your ebook will look like on the mobile. So you can easily modify if you want to make any changes, and you click on publish PDF to publish your PDF, and your PDF will be downloaded. So this is the PDF right now. As you can see, this is what we just created, and this is really looking so nice. This is amazing. All right, so once you are done, click on exit, and you'll be taken to the manage ebook page, where you can download your book, delete, or even generate e-cover. Yes, you can generate e-cover with Bookz AI. Just click here, and we have it, tons of templates. Select the one that you like to use, then click on next, and right here you can upload your design, or you click here to create a new design. So this is for you. If you want to create a new design, you can specify the size, the width and the height. You can choose the background as well too, and click on create. And from here you can easily add whatever you want and change the color, change whatever you want to change, add shapes, elements and others. Okay, so for me, I'm going to upload a cover I already designed. So you click here and you upload and click on next. So can you see? And you can download. So now it has been downloaded.
Click on the pencil icon to edit your ebook. You can as well download your ebook and generate a cover.
And it will be automatically synced with the ebook you just created, as you can see, and you can download your ebook. So now let's talk about the flipbook. You can also generate flipbook with Bookz AI.
To create flipbook, upload your PDF box and click on Save button. Once the flipbook is ready, click on Flip to preview.
So you click here to upload your ebook. Okay, then you click on Save to save the flipbook. And right here you click on Flip to see the preview. Amazing. Wow, you can see this is awesome. This is really looking great. And also comes with marketplace that allows you to sell your ebooks, flipbook and get paid instantly. So you click here, marketplace, and right here you can set up your marketplace. You put in the marketplace name like this, you upload your marketplace logo, you put the description and save. And once you do that, you can always add your ebook to the marketplace. Okay, so once added, so you can say you input the title of the ebook here, the category, the author's name and the price, and you select the marketplace here. And once you do that, you're going to have a marketplace like this filled with ebooks that you've created. All right, and you can always click here. Okay, so this will show you the price and everything. You can also add banners to your marketplace and embed with your affiliate link. So, and right here your audience, your visitors can click on buy now to pay for your ebook. So this ebook costs $20 and they can make payments. They input their details and click on pay now, and they'll be taken to PayPal to pay for the ebook. So this is where you set up the payment gateway. You can use PayPal and Stripe to collect payment. All right, so as you can see, Bookz AI is a solid software that you need right now.
I hope you understand how Bookz AI does its magic. It is a low one-time offer. Also, they have a money-back guarantee, so if this tool doesn't work for you, you can return it to the developer. So it's totally risk-free. Take advantage of this amazing opportunity. If you want to check out the Bookz AI at any point, go ahead and click the link in the description. Now let's see the OTOs of Bookz AI. First, we have already seen the Bookz AI front end. To check all the OTOs, check the link in the description. The first OTO is Bookz AI Unlimited for $67. Second OTO is DoneForYou for $297. Third OTO is Automation for $47. Fourth OTO is Swift Profits for $47. Fifth OTO is Limitless Traffic for $97. Sixth OTO is Agency for $167. Seventh OTO is Franchise Edition for $97. Lastly, the eighth OTO is Multiple Income for $47. Now, here are the premium level bonuses that you will be receiving inside the members area once you decide to purchase. These are other than my own bonuses. Also, here are the extra bonuses worth more than $8,000 that you will be getting from my end if you decide to purchase it from the link given in the description below. Opportunities like this don't come around often. Bookz AI gives you the ability to create and sell high-quality ebooks in under a minute without writing, without designing, without stress. Thousands are already using it to generate a daily income. You should, too. Grab Bookz AI through the link below and start creating products that bring you sales every day.
Fearless.